Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday. In today's video, I'm so excited because I'm going to be doing a summer clothing haul. There's definitely pieces in this haul that you could implement in your summer wardrobe. This is definitely more of like a wearable but fun summer clothing haul. I have stuff from SHEIN, American Eagle, and Forever 21. If you guys want to see some affordable pieces to amp up your summer wardrobe, then definitely please keep watching. Alex and I are going to Nashville in about 2 weeks. I wanted to get some new outfits and pieces that I could wear there, have fun, switch up my look, but I didn't want to spend a crazy amount, and I feel like that's when SHEIN really comes in clutch. Okay, so first off, I have this stunning zebra top. Overall, like the knit feels really nice and super soft, and I'll definitely be trying these pieces on for you guys too. This would look so cute with like a pink skirt, or with these bell bottoms that I'm gonna share with you guys that I got in a second. But I think that this top is so adorable and I cannot wait to try it on. Denim that I'm going to be wearing all summer long. I am so happy with these finds. I already talked about them in a YouTube short, but I have to talk about them again. They are the American Eagle high-rise 90s boyfriend shorts. I have them in black, and then I have them in this really nice denim color that I'm wearing right now. I just quickly had to talk about that. These shorts are what I'm going to be mixing and matching with like literally all the tops that I have here. Low rise and bell bottoms are in. I still cannot do the low rise. It's just not a cute look for me, but I have been loving the look of bell bottom jeans lately. So I got these next level stretch festival flare high rise bell bottoms. These are also from American Eagle. Flares that has like this little change in how the denim looks. The denim is a really nice quality, but it's still stretchy, so it's very comfortable to wear. I feel like this is a piece that's like perfect for summer evenings mixed with any of the cute tops that I'm going to share with you guys. Okay, so this is what the top looks like on. So cute. I love the fabric of it. Right now I just have it paired with those flare jeans that I was showing you guys earlier. I think that this would be such a cute outfit. The color on this top is just so flattering, especially with a tan, and I even think it would look super cute with a pair of like white shorts or even just some like regular denim shorts. This is definitely summer in a tank top. Also from SHEIN, I got this stunning blue corset top. I literally have nowhere to wear this to, but it is absolutely beautiful. And this shade of blue is like so perfect for the summertime, especially with a tan. I can even wear this with like shorts and sneakers and have like a dressy, casual, fun moment. I don't know. I just thought that this top was so cute. I kept seeing people talk about this corset top from Amazon, but it was double the price. I got it on SHEIN for only $16, and I'm really happy with it. The quality feels really nice. It fits really cute. Cannot get enough of this blue top. It is so beautiful. The color is so flattering. Now I just have it paired with these black denim jeans from Abercrombie. They're the high-rise 90s. And then my Air Forces. Lately I've been into like dressy, cute tops, jeans, and sneakers. Like all about balance. I'm not really a heels girl. I hate the commitment of wearing heels and then like not being comfortable or whatever. I feel like this is nice where you're like dressed up, casual. You could wear this for like a summer night out. You could wear this for brunch too. So cute. It would even look pretty with like leather pants or even like a pretty skirt. I feel like everybody needs this top in their life. And they have it in so many colors. Purple, green, pink, black, white, you name it. So pretty. I love the ruching. I also like how it kind of like divots in, so it's like super flattering and really makes your waist look like it's coming in and then out. The only thing I will say is that when you sit, it literally digs into that like bottom little fupa part right here. So just be wary of that. It's not really a good sit down shirt, but it's a great stand-up shirt. I'm already so happy with this top because fabric feels so nice and comfortable. It's this really pretty Milkmaid's top right here. A really nice tie front detailing. Love the little pleating right there. So pretty. I thought that this would be absolutely adorable to wear with any of the denim shorts that I showed you, or even those like flare denim jeans. It's just like screams like the perfect summer top. And this is how the white Milkmaid's top looks like on. So pretty. So cute. I love white tops in the summertime, especially paired with denim. Right now I have them paired with those same flare pants. I have one side again with the sneakers to show you how it would look more dressed down. Super cute. This is definitely going to be like a go-to outfit of mine. And then the other side with the heels, if you are more of like a heel sandal type of girl, I think that that would also look so cute.
This would obviously also look cute with just some cute denim shorts. Even a skirt, a little like floral skirt would be so cute with this. I love this top so much and so comfortable.
This is another top I got from SHEIN. I got this in my first order and I've already worn it. And it's another really pretty like Milkmaid's top. I love white in the summer, but it's so fun when you add some like floral elements to it. Very Bridgerton, very pretty. It's just like a go-to summer top. When you don't know what to wear, you want to feel cute, you want to look good, you throw on a top like this with denim shorts or a nice pair of jeans and you just feel really pretty and put together.
And this is what that little floral Milkmaid's top looks like on. This top is like the easiest way to create like a summer outfit because you could literally throw this top on with shorts and sneakers as like a perfect summer daytime outfit, barbecue outfit, literally like anything. And you look so cute, so put together. And then you could totally dress this up by styling it with jeans and heels, and it's like the perfect brunch outfit. I love how like dainty and girly and pretty it is. Super flattering on. I'll definitely be wearing this top a ton this summer.
I normally hate the way dresses look on me, but this one is perfection. It's this little black polka dot dress, and then it has a really nice like little ruffle detailing along here. Really cute tie sleeves. Comes to a really nice length. Not too short, not too long. Has a really nice slit on the side. I will say the material on it is pretty thin, but it doesn't look cheap at all. It still fits really nice. Not gonna lie, I feel like because it's so thin, it'll be comfortable to wear in the summer. It's not see-through, which is nice too. You can just wear it so many ways, and there's nothing better than a dress that you feel confident in, because if you don't know what to wear, you literally have a whole outfit in one. You just throw on a dress and
then this is how the dress looks on. I am so obsessed with this dress. I hate the way dresses typically look on me, but this I feel like is loose in all the right areas. It's fitting in all of the right areas. It's just perfect. You could totally dress this up or down. I love the ruching here, the neckline, little ties here. Literally the perfect summer dress.
also got it in this pretty blue color. Lately I've been loving the way blue looks on me, especially when I have a tan. This is what the blue one looks like. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I believe I got both of these. Yes, I got them both in a size extra small, and it fit literally perfectly. Not too tight, not too loose.
This is what the blue one looks like on. I'm literally in love. This dress is so pretty. I need it in every color. I think that this color is absolutely stunning up against a tan as well.
Next up, I just got this really simple black tank from SHEIN. Wanted it to be a little bit more cropped so I could wear it with like my high-waisted jeans and shorts. I could still definitely wear this top. It's just not exactly what I was expecting. Material on it though is really nice. It's nice and stretchy and it feels really soft. And then it has like a really nice, I don't know if you can see the rib detailing on it. That's really nice too. Look at this skirt. Isn't that so fun? So I got this specifically for Nashville, and not that this screams Nashville at all, but I was like, you know what, I'm going on vacation. I'll never see anybody there again. Might as well have fun with my outfit. I thought that this skirt would look so cute paired with this pink zebra top and then maybe even like a denim jacket thrown over that. Yes, it might be a little bit loud, but I mean, that could still be cute, and some white sneakers. I've been trying to have fun with my outfits lately. Oh my gosh, or even this, oh my gosh, and my pink blazer. I don't know why I've been obsessed with like pink lately.
Okay, so this is what that little pink fuchsia silk skirt looks like on. Realistically, I do not think I'll be able to wear this skirt at all. It is way too short. If I bend down to grab something, my goodness, it would not be good. And then also the slit, like, comes a little high up. I feel like I should have sized up. I got it extra small. A lot of times the extra small is too small, but then the small ends up being like too big and like looking really frumpy or not like fitting me around my waist nice. Granted, the skirt was only $7, so I wasn't expecting it to fit great, but I do think it's cute. I just wish it was a little bit longer. The color of it is so fun. Paired with that zebra top, it was a little bit too much, so I paired it with this little basic rib tank that I got from Forever 21. I love the cutout on the sides. I'm going to show you it. I'm going to talk about it in a few clips from now, but I love this tank top because it's perfect to style with jeans, trousers, skirts, you name it. And then I don't know if the green is too much, but I've been really wanting to try color blocking this season and like having fun with my fashion. So I paired the pink with this green bag that I got from Amazon. I love this bag so much. And then these little glasses that I got from SHEIN, I'll show you guys them in a couple clips. They were only $3. And I felt like this was a great way to kind of color block without doing like a full-on green shirt, because I feel like that could be a little bit intimidating and much. But I feel like the green accessories are kind of cute. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I've been trying to have fun with my spring summer fashion, and I feel like this outfit is fun and it kind of like fits my personality, besides the skirt being super short.
All right, then next up I got this denim jacket, which I'm literally so in love with. I already tried it on and it fits so cute. The shade of the denim is perfect too. It was only 20 bucks and it does not look or feel cheap whatsoever. The denim is thin, it's not like a super thick denim, but I'm not gonna lie, I kind of love that because in the summertime, I like to wear denim jackets and all of that like in the evening, but I don't want to be sweating. A lot of times I just need denim jackets for like the aesthetic of the outfit, but I don't actually want to be warm. So I feel like since it's not such a thick, heavy, suffocating denim, it'll be perfect. You guys, I discovered the greatest life hack ever. I had wanted this jacket from SHEIN that had like the fringe on it, or Tennessee, but I was like, I'll literally only wear that in Nashville and I'll never wear it again afterward. So I ended up discovering a way to like create my own fringe, attaching it to Velcro, and then being able to add it to whatever jacket that I decide that I want to wear for the evening. So this is the fringe that I made, and I literally just have it Velcroed in there, able to literally remove this little fringe and then just add it to any jacket that I want. And then I just lined the inside jacket pocket with the felt side of the Velcro. But I think that this will look so cute on this denim. It's not a real pocket. So I think what I'll do is I'll just add the felt side to the top part here. And then when I close it, it'll just cover this. So I didn't even add the Velcro yet. I just laid it there and then buttoned it, and that's kind of holding it in place. And you can already see how cute that's gonna look. I was planning on wearing this jacket over like that black dress that I showed you earlier, or with any of the denim shorts. It's gonna look so freaking cute.
While I was editing, I realized I forgot to show you guys how the tank top looks like on. This is it, super simple, so comfortable, so soft. It fits really nice. And then it has like the little ribbing. I like the neckline. Overall, just a great basic tank top to have. I just wish it was a little bit more cropped. I completely forgot to show you guys how the denim jacket looks like on. So I wanted to jump on here and show you guys. So this is the cut of it, super cute. It's nice and cropped. I also like how the sleeves are kind of oversized, and I got mine in a size small and I still got the oversized fit without it being too much. I still have that little fringe attached to it, but obviously this is removable and it doesn't come with that.
Also from SHEIN, I got these bandeau tops. It came in a pack of 2. It came with a black one and a white one. Material feels really nice. It feels really cool, soft and stretchy.
And this is literally what I got those little bandeau tops for, to wear underneath of blazers. I just think that they're so cute. But as you can see, they just help make the perfect simple summer outfit. You just take that bandeau top, some basic denim shorts, throw a blazer over top, throw on some cute sandals. It even looks so cute paired with like sneakers too. If you want to make it more casual, you can swap out the blazer for like a linen overshirt or a flannel, and that's another super easy, simple summer outfit. I also like how this bandeau top stays in place. I got some from Amazon last year and they would always like slip downward. It was so frustrating, but this stays right where you put it, which is nice.
I thought that these would look cute paired with like the high-waisted denim shorts or jeans with like any of the denim jackets thrown over top. I could wear this with like blazers. So many different ways to style basic tops like these. Next up, I just want to talk about some simple pieces I got from Forever 21. First up is this basic white tank, which I've already worn so much because it fits so cute. It's just a basic white high neck top. A really nice ribbed detailing on it. Fabric is actually really nice. It's not too thin, it's not see-through. The quality of this top is surprisingly made so well, especially for being Forever 21. It feels just like my Abercrombie tanks that I get, which I love the quality of their tank tops too. What I love most about this is how flattering the cut is. It kind of like goes a little higher up on the side and scoops down, so it just like enhances the shape of your waist. This is the type of top that you could throw on with like jeans or denim shorts. throw on a bunch of jewelry, and it's such a simple outfit, but you still look so cute and put together. This is the type of top that would look so cute with that pink skirt and some sneakers. And then this next top I've already talked about in a vlog, but some of you guys may have missed it. I loved it so much that I got it in 2 colors, and it's just this basic crisscross tank top from Forever 21. And I tell you that the quality of this fabric is insane. I am not lying. It literally looks and feels just like the Aritzia one. Either of these tops worn with denim shorts and a blazer would be so cute. One would look so cute paired with those flared denim jeans I was showing you guys earlier. Again, I love the robe detailing. The fabric is so thick, like you cannot see through it at all.
And then this is what that Forever 21 crisscross top looks like on. So freaking beautiful. Like I mentioned earlier, the quality on this top is incredible. I love the rib detailing. It is so flattering on. It would also look really nice with a pair of like long black denim jeans or even just regular denim jeans. Again, an easy, simple top. You can pair with anything and your outfit's gonna look cute because your top is cute.
I just want to get into some accessories that I got from SHEIN. First off, I have these little clear butterfly clips with a bunch of them for only $1, and I just think they're such a fun way to accessorize your hair for the summer. And then in this recent SHEIN order, I got some gold ones. Came with all of these for, I believe, only $1 as well. So the gold ones, I can already tell though, will not hold my hair. Like, I'm definitely gonna need to use a rubber band to like tie my hair and then clip it on top just for the accessory. But like this would even look cute just kind of like randomly scattered throughout your hair. It would just look like a bunch of gold butterflies fluttering throughout your hair. I don't know why I've been obsessed with like gold little accessories for the hair, but I also got these little gold ring thingies to kind of like put throughout a ponytail or maybe even throughout a braid. I thought that would be so fun. Again, only $1. And I also got these little gold things here to add to braids. So like, you know how like a lot of people are doing those like 2 front braids with the rest of the hair wavy? Well, what I like to do, I like to add these little gold pieces to the ends of the braids, and it just looks so cute. Very summery, and just, I love doing fun things to accessorize the hair. Then next up, I got a sticky bra because I always need more of these, especially in the summertime when you're wearing tube tops, tank tops, halter neck top. I'll keep you guys posted on how this works. It was only $5. I got these basic just green glasses. I've been obsessed with green lately. And like I said, I was feeling very eventful when I was shopping on the SHEIN website because I literally got these glasses to wear with that pink outfit. Color blocking is in this season, so I was like, we can color block with like all pink outfit and then just throw on some green glasses. It may be crazy. I probably won't end up doing it, but in my head it looked cute. Oh, and they look pretty cute on. They're a little wide, which is a lot because I have a very large head, but they're still fun. They're only $3, so. Alright you guys, and that wraps it up for this fun summer haul. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. As always, I'll have every single piece linked down below. If there are any pieces that I can no longer find, I will try to link down similar options. I love you guys. I pray that y'all stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!